This incident started at 8:01 p.m. when a homeowner called police about an unknown RV parked in the front of the driveway.
My neighbor just sent me a picture. Someone has parked their RV in the front driveway. Is there any way we could send someone by to check on it?
A patrol officer responded and, while parked down the street from the location, contacted the homeowner on the telephone. The officer learned no one should be at the vacant house and there were no trespassing signs posted. Here is video of the call between the patrol officer and the homeowner.
So no one should be there at all. I even had no trespassing signs all over.
Two patrol officers attempted to contact the suspect in the RV, identifying themselves as Chandler police, as they stood outside the RV near the hood. The suspect immediately reached for an unknown item inside the RV. Due to this, both officers moved to a position of cover, requesting additional police units. The suspect turned off the interior RV lights and began closing the RV slide-outs while hiding inside. Here is video from the initial contact with the suspect.
Okay, I see someone.
And we call him out?
Yeah. Hey, Chandler PD, come out! Come here. Why is he reaching?
When backup officers arrived along with the patrol lieutenant, plans began to be put in motion to deal with the suspect barricading himself in the RV. After a few minutes, officers observed the suspect go to the driver's seat and start the engine. An order was given to the suspect to come out. Instead, the suspect accelerated, crashing through the driveway gate, turning south and hitting a parked car. Here's one of the officer's body-worn camera videos.
See him in the front! See him in the front! Come on out!
He's on the driver's side.
Are we going to give demands? Because he's starting the engine. What are we doing? He's going to ram it! He's going to ram it!
Clear the way! Clear the way!
The patrol lieutenant and other officers were south of the location in the street when the suspect accelerated through the gate. The RV turned towards these officers, and as the patrol lieutenant was between two parked cars, the suspect drove towards him. Here is video of the shooting from a secondary officer's body-worn camera. There is no audio due to the police tactics for this incident being discussed prior to the shooting. The suspect hit a parked truck and a tow truck before fleeing the location, south on California Street. The body-worn camera of the officer involved in the shooting was not recording. However, here is a second angle of the shooting from another officer's body-worn camera. The shooting was also captured on a nearby residential security camera. After the shooting, the suspect failed to stop for pursuing police vehicles. At the intersection of Dobson Road and Fry Road, the suspect did not stop for a red light, resulting in a multi-vehicle traffic collision, seriously injuring several people. The suspect, identified as 32-year-old Arnold Javier Serrano, was arrested by police. Police learned Serrano had a felony caution arrest warrant. Additionally, the RV in this incident was reported stolen and had a stolen license plate. There were no injuries to officers. The lieutenant involved in the shooting is assigned to the Desert Breeze Precinct and has been with the department for 21 years.